Hey, Probstats kids, this is Dr. Callahan with Week 9 Thursday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions. Keep in mind your warm-up log is going to be due this Friday, so that is tomorrow. Make sure you have all of the questions answered for Week 1 Monday to Week 9 Friday. It is for 300 points. All right, let's go ahead and create the assignment for today. This is kind of interesting. I've never seen something like this before. So let's try this one more time. Okay, so I'm going to go to Probstats and then go to assignments. There we go. This is a little bit better. I'm like, I have no idea what the other one was. And then create the assignments. And this is just for a Week 9 Thursday. Probstats semester 2. Our topic of conversation today is going to be on compound interest and annuities. This is your instruction for today. Make sure you check in with me for attendance by 1:19 for 5th period and by 2:20 for 6th period. And all assignments must be uploaded by 3 p.m. And assign. All right, let's go ahead and go back to this part right here. All right, you guys, so looking at this piece right here today, this is the breakdown of what we're going to be doing. So go ahead and take a look at the agenda for today's discussion. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start off on a scavenger hunt, okay? So on your scavenger hunt, if you're at home, you could just do this on a separate piece of paper. That is completely fine. What you're going to be doing is you are going to be answering the following questions. And I have the first set of questions right here, and it says a bank pays interest on a savings account at the rate of 4.2%. Debbie pays $3,000 into a savings account. How much money will she have in her account after 5 years? Okay. Now, if you remember this from Wednesday, I gave you guys a sheet that had all of the formulas on there that we have used in class. And that looks like this. So let's turn it over here. The only one that I don't see here is the future value. So I'm actually going to add it in there myself. So I'll just write it in here so it's a little bit easier. So future value, remember, is A is equal to P, 1 plus R to the T. Okay, that's the only one. And this is for future value that is compounded annually. So then from here, there were a few that we talked about. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth formula, and sixth formula. Okay, so these are all the formulas that we discussed. All the formulas we discussed, and now going over here, you have that formula sheet that you are welcome to use for this. Okay, so here are the first 2 set of questions. So answer these 2 questions on a separate piece of paper. Here are the next 2 questions. John pays $400 in a bank account. So if he pays $400, that means the A is equal to 400. Rate of 0.034. how much interest we have after 10 years. So T equals 10. So this one is just IPERT. And you just plug that in. Here's the next set, the third set. Fourth set. So pause the video, answer them. Fifth set. And sixth set. Okay, after that, what I'm going to have you guys do is the next piece right over here. Okay. Here I have 5 different questions, and you're going to pick one of them, and you're going to show me the steps. So it says solve each of the problems using the appropriate formula. Show your detailed work on a large post-it with numerical steps and words description for each step. Now, keep in mind there are 2 different formulas here. The first formula you have is the A equals P plus R over N to the NT. So that is if something is being compounded, so many times per year. The next one is continuous compound, and that's the APERT. So you have to pick a question. Ask yourself, which one is it going to be? Which formula you're going to use? And answer the following questions. Which of the 5 questions are you going to choose? Which equation will you be required? What components of the question gives you A, P, R, and T? Which missing variable does the question ask you to find? And you're going to show this on a large poster, which I'm going to give to you. But if you're at home, you can just do it on a separate piece of paper. And let me show you some of the things here that I have. Like this was one that somebody else used in my class. This one did a parabola on Angry Bird. Although you guys are in Probstats, so you're looking at compound interest and not parabolas. Here I have a student who did it on parabolas and axis of symmetry. So make sure you guys do yours on this. Okay, pick one of the 5 questions. Refer to your notes if you need additional assistance. All right, so if you are done with that, our next step is to go to the following. We're going to go over a Quizlet that is going to be on compound interest. So here is the link. It's https://goo.gl/5pj capital E97, or I think that's an I. Hold on, let me just click on that. Hold on just one second. Let me just make sure it's correct. Oh, no, it is J. Just kidding. It's J. It's J. 5PJ. Once you get there, this is where you should have. And you're just going to go ahead and answer the questions. Is it A or 1, 2, 3, or 4? I'm just going to make a guess. Ooh, that's not correct. Okay. So then here, 4. What does 4 mean? Is it semi-annual, quarterly, annual, or monthly? I know it's quarterly, so I know I got that one correct. And so go ahead and continue with this. All right, you guys, that's basically it of what you're supposed to be doing today. That in itself should take you about 55 minutes. If you're doing this at home, make sure you take a picture of it and upload it to the MS Team assignment, and I will assign you a grade for your effort. As always, stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.